Now we're doing a sea trial. I'm going to video a little part of it. It's going to be hard to hear me, but we're running at about, what are we at? 13.6, and at about 36.50. That's about wide open on this Yanmar. She runs pretty clean. It's a beautiful day out here. We're beating that boat. A little bit of smoke coming out of this, running hard. Looks like maybe just blow by. When's the last time you ran this thing?
We ran it once and we listed it.
Oh, that was it?
13.8.
Yeah?
She runs out pretty nice.
Yeah, not bad. I don't know if that's seeable on this screen. Yeah, it is. 13.8, and we're at about 3,700.
At 3750, no, 3,700 RPMs.
WT 3,700, 13.8 knots.
Okay, let's back off a couple of hundred, 35.
Alright, where are we at there? About 3,300?
309.7 knots.
9.7 knots at 3,300.
Down to 3,000?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Now I took that chart plotter through and saw that on the menu I have options for radar and sound.
And I'm about out of here. We're running at 3,000 now. Maybe 8 knots. I don't know. He changed the screen.
Now it's possible. And I didn't see a transducer.
3,000. Don't know what speed.
Cable's on mark. I may not have all 4 connections in the right place. But I do.
Tested the autopilot. It worked. We haven't gotten the stereo up here working yet. But besides that, it's overall a nice boat. We got to figure out what's going on with the swim platform where they attach that onto. I already talked to the other broker. He said he'll fix that. Little stuff. Besides that, we'll see what Rick says, but it seems good to me. In the meantime, this is One World Yachts, and I'm out.